Hi, Linda from A Labor of Life, coming to you live from my bedroom, sharing everything new about the new spring 2025 Jilly box. Box has arrived, and I'm really excited and anxious to share everything with you. A little unusual this year in that I received my box last week, but because I was not well, I didn't actually open it up. Crazy. I wait anxiously for this box every quarter, and I didn't even feel like opening it up this time. But once I did, I was very excited to see everything that I received. Theme for this quarter was self-care. Everything to kind of take care of you or make you feel special. And I think they really hit that one on the head this time. Beautiful theme. Soft pinks, creams, and taupes for everything that's there. I'm going to share it all with you soon. We'll try this a little differently because I've already taken everything out, so I'm not going to open the box and take it out and pretend I'm surprised because literally I have opened it all up. So let's go through this again, shall we? One last or initial comment to the Jilly Box team. I love everything that you do with the magazine. I really do. But I really do miss the little features that you used to put in the magazine. You used to share like 4 Jilly Box fans and what they were doing with their box from the quarter before. I always found that was just a fun little piece that you shared in your magazine, and it gave me a chance to find new Jilly fans out there, see how people were styling their items. Because everything's always a little different, and it just gives you kind of fun ideas. That aside, still a great little magazine. Got a recipe for birdie bars. Haven't tried those yet because obviously I'm still recovering. And then as you go through, Jilly gives her little explanation of each of the items, what the retail value is, where it's from, how you can follow the companies, which is really important. She includes the add-ons, and then usually a little interview with somebody that's featured from the box, 1 or 2 people. So let's get to it, shall we? As I'm very excited to share everything that's in here. Of note, I did not order any of the add-ons this year, so I can't show you any of the add-ons for this quarter. I was on the cruise ship when the time came to put my confirm that I wanted my box, so I just confirmed and moved forward. And there wasn't anything that I really jumped out at me, but they are all beautiful items. So let's get into the box, shall we? Everything's all open. I'm going to start with the Cheekbone Beauty, which is a beautiful little cream compact. Beautiful. Oh, look at that. I got pink on it from my fingers already. It is for lips and cheeks. It's very creamy and soft. And I will zoom it in right here for you so you can see a close-up of what it looks like. I've been putting it on my lips and cheeks. Really love it. Retail value of this is $27. And it is a lovely little add-on to the box. Or not add-on, but it's a lovely inclusion in the box. Next up, the big ticket item, or what was considered the big ticket item, is the Tuck Muslin Throw Blanket. There was possibility of getting one of 2 shades. They had the Driftwood Taupe or the Oat Milk. Initially, I thought I would prefer the taupe, kind of to bring out the darker shade of my Tuck bedspread here. But I ended up getting Oat Milk, and it is beautiful, and I love it. And I think it is going to look beautiful here on my bed. Replace the red one from Christmas Valentine's Day because I don't need that anymore, and we'll go back to our little neutral palette, relatively neutral palette in our bedroom. Retail value $149, I believe. Yes, $149 Canadian. Next item, Indaba, made specifically or especially for the Jilly box. This was handcrafted in India by a dedicated team of specialized sand casting craftspeople. So sand casting is a fusion of skill, experience, and dedication that transforms raw materials into intricate metal creations. And it's beautiful. And it looks like this. Isn't that just stunning? I'll zoom in close for you here so you can see it close up. I have seen online about some people talking about actually painting it a different shade, because you can use some milk paint or chalk paint and change color if you want, but this works perfectly for me and I love it. So retail value of this one is $50, and it is perfect little addition. You can move this all around your home. I'm going to keep it here in my bedroom for a little while, probably put it on the mantle. I'll pull it out obviously for Valentine's Day downstairs, but I think it's just going to stay in my room as a nice accessory on my dresser. There you have that one. Next up is the Mahara Mindfulness Journal. It's beautiful. Funny little story here. When I first opened this up, and I opened it, how I had opened it was, I guess, to just a particular note section. So I thought it was a plain notebook, just kind of to write in, which I love because I write in everything. But it is a beautiful journal that takes you through the year, your to-do lists, your accomplishments, a vision board, how to help you create your first vision board, a check-in for your vision board. It has got a beautiful ribbon bookmark in it in the center, which again is in beautiful shades of pink to go with it. So love this. It's not something that I think of getting for myself. I actually got my niece one for Christmas because she does journal, but it's something that I've been thinking of getting back to. So this is perfect for me. Retail value of the journal is $48. It's the Human Being Journal. So Jilly is explaining that she's really been focusing on her wellness journey, and journaling has been helping her, writing down her thoughts and her ideas, plans to help slow down and put meaningful additions to your routine. I really like that. So this journal is guiding you through rooting in the pillars of a happy life, health, career, and relationships. So perfect kickoff for those of us who really need to start focusing on a self-care journey, right? So it's beautiful. Next up, we have the Grosch 40-ounce tumbler. How crazy is that? 40-ounce tumbler. This comes in two shades. They had the cream white and then peach rose. So the cream white is a cream with almost a taupe accents, and then the peach pink one. I thought I was going to really want the peach pink one, and I got the cream taupe. I absolutely love it. It's beautiful. It's huge. But it's beautiful. So I can't wait to start using this. I will probably start with using it as a replacement for my white tumbler at the gym once we get back to the gym, now that we're slowly getting better. And then hopefully it will help me get my water content in every day. So retail value, $50. It comes with 2 straws. It actually, look at this, the bottom is small enough so it fits into normal cup holders in your car. And it's just ginormous. So cheers. You will probably see that in various stories and pictures as we move on through life. Next up, we have the Lavon Classic Face Cloth. Already opened it. No surprise. Look at that beautiful color. It is so soft. So it's supposed to be a makeup remover. Reusable. Washes like a dream. Perfect for traveling. Folds up really small in your makeup bag, so you can take that with you. Very excited to try it. True confession, really bad at taking my makeup off every night, but maybe this will help encourage me to get it done. So zoom it in a little bit so you can hopefully see some of the texture, and the color is absolutely beautiful. And then we had Brunette the Label socks. Look at these. Aren't they fabulous? Beautiful oat milk cream colored sock with little pink hearts on them. Obviously, wild at heart, sticking to the theme. Love these. Can't wait to put them on and wear them. And the retail value of our socks are $25. Last item in the box, which I wasn't sure if I should talk about this one or not. A little bit of controversy, not controversy, slight issue, unfortunately, for the company, for Jilly. There were some issues, so not everybody is going to end up getting this. But Half Moon hot and cold therapy pillow. Beautiful idea. It retails for $62. It is a barley-filled bag with lavender inside. Smells divine. You can actually heat it up in your microwave for a heating pad, or put it in the freezer for a cooling pad. I got one of the first boxes, so I did get mine, and it's perfect. It's great. No issues with it whatsoever. So I am keeping mine. But not everybody, if you hadn't gotten your box yet, you're not going to get that, because there was an issue with the shipping of them and the quality. And if you know Jilly, you know that they want to make sure that everything that is in their Jilly box is good and perfect. I'll even go back a few years ago. I had ordered an add-on of a beautiful sequin duster jacket. So excited to receive. And they ended up pulling it from the marketplace and canceling everybody's orders and refunding them, because the quality when it came in wasn't up to their standards. So you can always count on them to deal with it. Anyway, I feel really bad for the Jilly Box team and everything that they're going through Half Moon and the issues regarding the barley bag, but it is what it is. It is still a great box filled with lots of great items. For our add-ons, we had the Another Day the Label sleep shirt in a beautiful pink shade, the Hala Natural Deodorant. We had Luna Bronze, some Bloom Super Belly powder. Half Moon had a beautiful yoga mat for those who love yoga in complementary shades to match everything else in this self-care box. And then there was the Truly Lifestyle brand anti-aging travel masks. So those were the add-ons. If you happen to get those, again, as I said, I did not. So that's the spring Jilly box for everybody. It is slightly different. There's no fitted item this time, although we do have the lovely blanket and the socks. Technically, I guess we do have a fitted item. But it is all about self-care. It is all about looking after ourselves, looking into ourselves, self-improvement. I love it all, just the concept. And there isn't anything in this box that I don't adore. It's why I love getting the Jilly box. It's not always about things that I personally might go out and buy on my own. I have a tendency to lean on the cheap side, and I don't actually think about buying certain things for myself. But I love them when I get them in the Jilly box as a surprise. Like, I probably wouldn't spend the $149 for the tuck blanket, but I adore it. And she introduces me to new companies, and Canadian made, be certified, women owned, racialized owned, you name it. But she's always looking to help small businesses out, to help people grow, and exposing us to new and great companies all the time. And I love that. And look, I'm sitting here on my tuck bedspread that I ordered as an add-on back, I think, in the fall, maybe last spring. I don't know. But I adore this company. So getting the blanket is something that is really special. I might not buy a heart, but I sure as heck am going to use it in my home and love it. So there you have it. If you have any comments or questions about any of the items that I've shared here in the box, just drop me a comment or send me a message, and I will try to get back to you as quickly as possible. Again, Linda from Labor of Life. If you love seeing the reviews, give me a double tap, thumbs up, maybe subscribe so you can catch my reviews every quarter. Plus, I share a whole lot of other fun things with you too. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day. And I almost forgot. So I've been putting everything away, and I almost forgot there is always coupons in your Jilly box as well. So this time we have from Synced Movement Studio. So you get to train with Jilly's personal trainer if you want. There's a 30% off coupon code with a quick 30-minute class, live sessions to keep you motivated. And as well, there's a 20% off coupon for VVA, the Radiant Serum, which I have been using. I think it came in one of her boxes a while ago. Anyway, love it. So 2 coupons for you. And yep, check it out. Got my socks on. And I'm about to put the blanket on the bed. So again, thanks for tuning in. Cheers, and I'll see you on the net.